In this video, I'll guide you through how to stop Google Cloud billing. Whether you're looking to pause your services temporarily or you've decided to stop using Google Cloud altogether, this step-by-step tutorial will help you smoothly and confidently navigate the process. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need to access your Google Cloud account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Google Cloud console. This is your main hub for managing all your cloud resources, so it's important to familiarize yourself with its layout if you haven't already. For our task today, we'll focus on the billing section. Finding the billing section is straightforward. Look for the navigation menu, usually on the left-hand side of your console. From there, select the option labeled Billing. This is where you can manage all aspects of your Google Cloud payments, including reviewing charges, managing budgets, and of course, disabling billing. Once you're in the billing section, you'll want to locate the specific billing account you plan to disable. If you have more than one account, be sure to select the correct one to avoid any unintended interruptions to other projects you may have. With your billing account selected, the next step is to disable billing. This action is crucial because it effectively stops all future charges related to the resources associated with this account. Look for a button that says Disable Billing. It might be located near the top of the page or within a menu. Click on it to proceed to the confirmation stage. Now, before you finalize this action, it's vital to understand what disabling billing entails. Doing so will halt all services tied to this billing account, which means any active projects will no longer function. This is an important consideration if you have ongoing work that requires those services. If you're confident that you're ready to stop all billing activities for this account, go ahead and click Confirm. This confirmation step ensures that you don't accidentally disrupt any projects or incur unwanted charges. Once confirmed, you've successfully disabled billing for your Google Cloud account. It's a good idea to double check that all your services are indeed halted and that you're no longer being charged. You can do this by revisiting the billing section and ensuring that everything is marked inactive. And there you have it. You've just learned how to stop Google Cloud billing. If you ever need to reactivate billing or start a new project on Google Cloud, the process is just as straightforward. Keep your billing settings in mind and always review your accounts regularly to stay on top of any changes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials. See you next time.